Good evening, traders, and welcome back to the channel. We do actually have some good news. As you can probably tell from the title or the thumbnail, whichever one enticed you to click on this video, we've made some profits. And over the past few weeks, you probably have noticed I've been on a losing streak. That's in my swing trading and my intraday trading style. I am losing on both, which is normal. It's totally normal, and it's great that people get to see someone lose that has a fairly decent sized following as well. And I feel like it will probably help a lot of people seeing that I do lose trades, and it's not just, win like most people show online. I don't want that to be the whole theme around my channel, which is just win. I want to show wins, I want to show losses, to show you what it's actually like. We had a winning day. We traded the $100,000 Hydra funding challenge, and we were in drawdown on this challenge. We're still in drawdown, but we're in less drawdown, which is a great sign. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you on the trading view here. I did actually record the whole trade, so we can cut to that now. So we are taking this short position now. We also have a valid short here. So we are looking to short from this level down to this level. So we're dropping nicely now down towards the take profit, which would be a great start to the day and a great start to the week. Although we are in drawdown on the account, having some wins is always a great feeling. And although this is basically if we just move that down to the line, this is a 2% win, so $2,000. It's not the usual, higher risk reward trades, but that's completely fine. Okay, so we are very close to the take profit now, around 2.5 pips. Here we go, falling nicely. Can we hit it on this push down? There we go. Take profit hit on this trade, as you see, melting beautifully. So if I show you the history, obviously we've had quite a few losses, and we've obviously now had a win. So now we're only down $2,000 this month, and obviously overall we're down just over 3%, which isn't actually that bad considering we had quite a few losses. To be down to just over 3% is actually okay. If I have a losing streak like I have at the moment for a month, or just over a month even, to only be down 3% is quite good in my opinion. So later I'm going to go through the trade on the charts, show you the Hydra funding dashboard to show you the stats of the account so far, and then go through some trade ideas for tomorrow or Friday even. So successful trade so far, and we closed out for 2% profit, or $2,000, which is great. So now you've seen the trade, which was this trade here. We did actually get a further short position here, and the reason that I'm trading slightly differently now is because I have to go to a different style of trading when I'm in drawdown on challenges. I've always done it, and I will continue to do it because it's worked well in the past. I have a certain more aggressive style of trading that I use on challenges when I need to make profits or I'm in drawdown, and this is the style basically. So to some people the positions will look very odd, but to me they are fairly normal. And you would notice on my channel in previous episodes, some entries and some trades will look different from others, and this is the reason why on my challenge accounts anyway. Funded and personal, I trade the same no matter what, just bear that in mind. So we had this area here, price retested in, we got the shorts down. The reason I targeted a 1 to 2 on this trade is very simple. We obviously had this area here, so people seem to hate on support and resistance, or supply demand, whatever people call it, but it's so popular for a reason, and this is because it is quite significant. So if you look back here, when price comes into an area, retest fools, retest fools, retest fools, retest fools, retest fools. Then it finally breaks through. I'm going to target that area. If I'm shorting, I'm going to target this area. What you'll notice though is a lot of people would have been buying when price gets to here, which shows me the price is going to go deeper. It's going to go deeper into the zone. And obviously we had a similar area here, which price obviously eventually came down to. I was looking to get an entry here, retest right in the zone, but I missed it. It literally tapped in so quickly and dropped. I didn't have the chance to actually get in the trade. So when price closed bearish, this was an easy sign to me that price was going to then take out these lows. And price did take out these lows and then reverse. But obviously I knew when price closed here that once price had actually retested into this zone and then hadn't closed into the zone and closed bearish, I knew that price was going to, like I said, take out the previous lows. And obviously these are the lows here that we had to take out. You could also look again, which area did price come down to? This area that was retested. Also, people say, oh, it's a big zone, but you don't have to have your take profit at a random point in here. I often align it with multiple different things. So it's not just like, oh, there's a support zone, I'm going to target that. There's a support zone, I'm going to do this or that. It's not that simple, but that's just a general overview of the trades I took today. So if I show you the Hydra funding dashboard, as you can see here, we have our two accounts, and on the $100,000 account, you'll see that we lost, and we lost. Wasn't great. But now you see 1K, 500, 500, 500, 500. And I did enter these at the same time, so they were a bigger position. But when price closes, I'm not sure why, but it splits the positions. Not sure. Don't know. Don't ask. I don't know. But you'll see now that we have started to make a comeback on this challenge. So at the point of, well, obviously the start of the day or yesterday, the account was at 94,838. We're now at 97,863. So the maximum total loss, obviously we're well clear of that. Daily loss, we're well clear of that. I never usually go near the max daily loss because it's quite stupid, especially if you have the chance that slippage could play a part, which it can with any trade you're in. So going close to a daily loss would be rather stupid. This does mean we're only down around 2.1k or 2.2k, let's just say, which is just over 2%. And if you look on the C trader here, if we go on the history, you can see 2.1k in drawdown, and you see we started on a losing streak and now we are on a nice winning streak, which is great to see. So if you obviously want to trade a challenge as well, you can check out Hydra Funding and get your challenge. There's a link in the description. You can trade alongside me. The best thing about it is you could trade a challenge, I could blow a challenge, you could pass it. You know, the thing with prop firms is you're not going to pass every single time. So you watching this video now, it could be like, oh well, he hasn't passed his prop firm in 1 hour like he did previous prop firms. But it just depends on the markets. If I have a trade that goes a 1 to 5 and I get a scale in and I risk 2%, I'm passing in one trade. But if I'm having conditions where I'm on a losing streak, I'm not going to pass it straight away. And then I have to get out of drawdown and then target the, I think it's 8% profit target. Yeah, 8% profit target afterwards. So good day in the markets. We obviously managed to capitalize on this drop, which was great. The London session, there was no potential trades, and then when price actually came in here at 1 p.m, that's when I actually entered the position. We actually got a nice trade, which was great. No swing opportunities during the remainder of this month, which has been quite annoying, but again, that's life. And yeah, little update on the trades, 3k for the day, and I'll catch you guys next time.